Boom! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Perfect Bag. My name's Clint, and today I found something super cool for you. It's from Indispensable Tokyo. It's a brand that I've shown off quite a bit on the channel before, but I wanted to show you something really cool that I found from them. It is loosely a bag, but it's got a handle, so I'm calling it a bag. And it is this. Wow. Look at this thing. So this is a tiny laptop / iPad carrier. And if you love pockets, hot damn, like this is the thing for you. Look at this. All right. So first off, gorgeous. You know what we do on this channel. One take bag reviews. You're going to get a walkthrough of this case that we're calling a bag. Look, it has a handle. And you're also going to get exterior walkthrough, interior walkthrough. Two things I love about this bag, two things that I think could be better, and then we'll have a little conversation about how cool this thing is, because it is indeed cool. It's got a nautical vibe going on, which I think is pretty neat. Bought this new. It cost me about $30-ish, and then about another $20 to ship because I bought it from Japan. I'm going to try and link y'all, but I bought it off buyee.jp, buyee.jp, my favorite site for wasting my money. It's amazing. All right, so check it out. This is the ultimate tablet carrying sleeve. We have up top, well, first off, it's canvas. Hello, canvas. It is canvas. Okay, and it is beautiful, and it is nautical themed, and we got the zips going on. Nothing crazy. This one, for some reason, is AquaGuard, and none of the others are except for the main compartment here, okay? Good thing they did the main compartment. You do have a combination of zippered pockets and Velcro pockets on this sling, we'll call it. No, we won't call it a sling because it has no attachment points. We'll call it what are we going to call it? We'll call it a case, a sleeve. Let's call it a sleeve, probably the word I was looking for. All right, let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pockets. 13 pockets, y'all. 13 pockets. Shall we? One by one. Bottom pocket. I put Advil in it. Ding. And there's also a little tiny Velcro pocket. Cool. Cute. Then, second pocket. Velcro as well, and I put my fidget toy in here. And then up top, it zips, and I put my AirPods in there. Perfect size for AirPods. Slash pocket. Nice. I put pocket knife. And then behind that, you got a dual zip, and I put wallet. Then you've got a little Velcro pocket here, and I'll talk a little bit more about why that's empty in a second. And you got a little D-ring here that you can clip things to. You could conceivably clip something to the D-ring that has a cord on it and drop it down into this slip pocket. Cool. Then this pocket has a deep zip, and it flips all the way like this. How about that? I've used that one as my phone pocket. And you can see here, let's call it asynchronous striping, which means that they're using the same fabric, but they did not take care to line up the pattern, which breaks it up and makes it a little patchwork looking. I really like that. Top pocket, this is clearly for pens. So I've clearly put pens inside of it. And I've also put my flashlight. All right. So those are all the front pockets on this beautiful sleeve. Let's flip it over because we got back pockets too. Zipper, zipper, zipper. In this pocket, reading glasses and thermometer. In this pocket, gaming device. And in this pocket, reading material. All right. Holy smokes. What could make this thing better? I'll tell you what could make this thing better. A full clamshell laptop compartment. I've put my iPad Pro in here. Nice. Let me see. I haven't even tested my MacBook. Is it a fit? Is it a fit? If it fits, I must buy it. Yes, it fits. 14-inch MacBook Pro. Fits perfectly. What a game changer. I love this little thing. It is indispensable. Tokyo, Japan for Rage Blue. I've seen 2 different colorways of this sleeve, and I've liked them both. I'm going to try and link to where you can buy this. But I bought mine secondhand, but still new with tags, NWT. So overall, 2 things that I love about this. Well, first off, pockets. It's so fun. I love the look of it. Certainly going to be an eye-catching device to bring to the coffee shop and set on the table next to you. Very, very, very cool. All right. Second thing I really like about it, the actual sleeve itself is great. I think you can see my fingerprints here. It's like a velvet, and it's padded on both sides. So it's a really nice protective sleeve. 2 things that could be better. These suckers, look what they did. They put the handle on the bottom, which I guess makes sense. It's a logical place since the whole entire rest of the thing is a clamshell zip. But when you hold it upside down, all these slip pockets right here, all the things could fall out. Okay, they are fairly tightly hook and looped, but man, you're holding it upside down. It's just a little uncomfortable for all the zippers to be pointed down when you're carrying the bag. Now, what I'll say, to be fair to them, is they didn't design this to be carried extensively. They designed it to be pulled out of your bag by this. Ultimately, though, it's pretty dang good. I would have only done 1 pocket on the back, dropped it down, and put a grab handle right here. Okay? Then you could hold it like this. No problem. Yeah, so almost a little extra pocketing back here. Drop it down, 1 pocket on the back, or the 2 pockets on the back. That's fine. But then reclaim some of the space for handle action. Yeah, like that a lot. And then the second thing they could have done, if they wanted to, is they could have done little loops here, 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 and here, or just here and here, or here and here. I would have done all 4. And then you could have used gate hooks to put a strap on this thing and actually carried this as a little hyper pocket sling. Would have been great. So indispensable if you're watching, and you might be. Revive the bag, turn it into a proper bag, give it a proper handle, give it attachment points. But y'all, how fun is this? I promise to keep bringing you stuff you ain't seen before. Stuff you're never going to see on another channel. Well, let me take that back. You may see it later on another channel after they watch this and then reproduce the video. But that being said, you are going to find cool bags if you keep watching this channel. Also, you can join the subreddit over at reddit.com/r/theperfectbag. Hit me up on Instagram, Clint from YouTube. Would love to chat bags with all of you. Everybody, thank you so much for all the love and support, and we will see you next time. Bye for now.